Hello viewers, today I have a video to show the audience. From the simple life of farmer, he lives a simple and happy life. In the morning to pick vegetables around the house. No need to go buy at the market. Do not worry about chemical vegetables. Life like this does not look fancy, not civilized like the people of the city, but living happily and safely. Ever dreamed of living the farm life right in your own home? Imagine stepping into your backyard, picking fresh vegetables and cooking up a storm without a single chemical in sight. Today, I'll show you how to bring that dream to life. First things first, let's talk about the joy of growing your own food. It's not just about the end product, it's the whole process. Planting seeds, watching them sprout, and nurturing them until they're ready to harvest. It's rewarding, therapeutic, and connects you to nature in a way nothing else can. Now, let's get practical. Start with easy to grow veggies like tomatoes, lettuce, and herbs. You don't need a huge yard. Containers and window boxes work wonders too. Keep it organic by using compost and natural pest repellents. A mix of water, garlic, and chili can keep those pesky bugs at bay. Alright, time for the fun part, harvesting. When your veggies are ripe for the picking, grab a basket and head out. There's something magical about gathering food with your own hands. Once you've got your bounty, it's time to cook. Today, I'm making a simple, delicious stir fry. I've got my fresh picked tomatoes, bell peppers, and zucchini. Heat up some olive oil in a pan, toss in your veggies, and saute until they're tender. Sprinkle in some fresh herbs, a pinch of sea salt, and a squeeze of lemon juice. That's it. No chemicals, no preservatives, just pure natural goodness. Living like a farm at home isn't just about food. It's about a lifestyle. It's slowing down, appreciating the little things, and making choices that are good for you and the planet. So why not give it a try? Start small, and before you know it, you'll be harvesting your own fresh veggies and cooking up meals that nourish your body and soul. Thanks for joining me on this journey to live naturally and healthily. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Until next time, happy farming